morning. Today we are going to learn Kapalabhati. Kapala is forehead, Bhati means to shine. In Kapalabhati, post practice, the lungs get so much cleaned that your body gets better supply of oxygen and the whole face starts to glow. How to do Kapalabhati? In Kapalabhati, we do passive inhalation, active exhalation. When you do Kapalabhati, it creates hypoxia, which will cleanse out all the residual carbon dioxide in your lungs. Okay, so in Kapalabhati, either you can sit in Padmasana or you can sit in Vajrasana. Although Kapalabhati is classified under Pranayama, it's actually a Kriya, cleansing Kriya. Kriya means cleansing practices. It cleanses your lungs. Basically, the lungs is an essential and important organ to keep your all other organs healthy and fit. If the oxygen supply to other organs is right, then all organs can function really well. Okay? In Kapalabhati, you can practice in 3 speeds. One is Mandagati, second one is Madhyamagati, and third one is Tivragati. In Mandagati, you practice around 1 stroke for 2 seconds. In a minute, approximately 30 to 35 strokes. Whereas in Madhyamagati, you practice in a medium speed. It's like almost 1 stroke per second. It comes up to like 60 to 70 strokes in a minute. Whereas in Tivragati, you practice nearly 2 strokes per second, which is 120 strokes in a minute. Okay, you have to be very cautious when you practice Kapalabhati. Kapalabhati has several benefits. However, if you do it wrongly, you can easily make out either you get back pain or you get stomach pain or you get headache or discomforts in the body. So, whenever you practice Kapalabhati, if you feel any sort of discomforts, then please feel free to get back to your therapist and get it checked how you are practicing. Sometimes we add our own things and we start to practice in a wrong way. Okay, so the middle speed is usually safe for most of the people, whereas if you have heart issues, if you have hypertension, then you have to be really cautious. Seek your therapist guidance on which speed you would like to choose. Now let's get started with the medium speed, Madhyamagati. Okay, just sit with your back and neck straight in a relaxed manner. Keep a smile on your face, no strain anywhere on your body. Just relax, keep your hand in any mudra, chin mudra also you can keep it, or just keep it relaxed. I am just keeping my hand on the stomach so that you can see how I am moving my stomach. Just watch out when to stop. You have to stop when you feel tired or when you start to strain your body. You can do up to 1 minute or more than that, but you have to listen to your body. When you feel tired, just stop. Don't think, oh, I haven't done for 1 minute, I have done only for 30 seconds. Doesn't matter. You have to do within your comforts and just relax right after stopping. There will be cessation of breath when you do it for more time, and it restarts after a while, maybe 4 seconds, 7 seconds, depending upon how much is your Kumbhaka Sthiti. The cessation of breath is referred to as Kumbhaka Sthiti. Okay, now continue for the second round in the same medium speed. If you like to, you are using both the nostril for your exhalation and the passive inhalation happens on its own. Okay, now we are going to do alternate Kapalabhati in the medium speed. Okay, in the alternate Kapalabhati, you are going to keep your hand in Nasika Mudra so that you create a space for your nose and you can alternate between the nostrils when you exhale. If you find it difficult to maintain one stroke per 1 second, and if your speed is quite high, then you can start with the high speed and slowly start reducing your speed. You need to learn Mandagati. In Mandagati, it's 2 seconds, 1 stroke. You really require a good amount of practice to start with Mandagati. If you are a beginner in Kapalabhati practice, then I would request not to do this at this point in time. Okay, I'll just demonstrate Mandagati, how to do it. Just relax yourself and then slowly start. Relax when you would like to stop. Practice with few strokes like the way I did it, 10 strokes, 15 strokes, and then slowly you can build and then continuously practice for 1 minute, and few people practice for 5 minutes when they are very well versed. I would recommend stick to 1 minute. Now we are going to learn Tivragati practice. Tivragati, both nostril. You will do rigorously like 2 strokes in a minute. Okay? So now let's get started. Tivragati. Just relax. Keep yourself relaxed. Anytime you feel tired, just stop. No one is examining you here. No one is putting you pressure on how many rounds to do it. Just stop when you are feeling tired. Okay? Just feel that cessation of your breath. Okay, so keep all these points in your mind. If you are only healthy and fit, start doing Kapalabhati. If you feel any discomforts, then please stop and seek your help. Okay, wish you all the best and have a glowing face naturally with the help of Kapalabhati.